This is pretty much the home screen of the application. Very, very easy to use, and as you can see, a lot of drama series which you can watch in this application here. You can just scroll and look for what you want. You can go in the drama library section here and select different type of categories which you're interested in. You can see a revenge section. You can see a lot of revenge type drama series which you can watch, and let me tell you, there's no credits or any unlocking of episode involved with this application here. It's completely free. Only thing that you may encounter with this application here is ads, so do keep that in mind. And as well, you can see the ranked or the top series on the application as well, which you can check out and watch. So if you do tap on any one of these, it will show you the chapters and so forth. You may see a bit of ads. That's it. No coins or anything to unlock anything, just a bit of ads, and that's pretty much it. You can tap on whichever one you want to watch. As you can see here, all you have to do is just tap on it, and then it will pretty much start playing. You have a lot of series which you can watch as it relates to this, and if the screen is blocked or you can't see anything once I tap on the episode, that means they have pretty much, for privacy policy, they have blocked out that part. But if you can, then yes. That's all you pretty much use the application, and there's no coins as it relates to unlocking any episodes on this application here. And as well, if you do go in the profile section, you do get the option to remove the ads completely. That's the only thing that you'll be encountering with this application here. And as well, the collection history is pretty much your favorite movies, and the watch history is pretty much all the movies that you have watched on the application. Here you can go ahead and get the ads-free subscription. If I tap on the subscribe option here, I'll be able to see their prices and pretty much everything as it relates to their subscriptions. You can see here they have a monthly, a yearly subscription, and yeah, that's really pretty much it. So if I missed anything at all, just let me know in the comment section below. Very good drama application. I would recommend anyone testing it out, and let me know in the comment section. So with all that said, guys,